Renosell was established to fill a gap in the marketplace that currently exists. And that gap is to renovate now but pay later. So Renosell has been set up to provide property owners the possibility to obtain maximum value for their property without paying for it up front. So if you are thinking of selling, stop. Contact the team at Renosell for a free, friendly, in-depth consultation at your property where we can show you how you potentially uncover thousands of dollars that you didn't know existed.